Welcome back. Hope that you had fun brainstorming and prototyping or setting a vision for the kinds of things that you want to experiment with. And now we are going to put another filter on these prototypes to help you move forward into the world.
Thanks, Elisa. I'm so excited to look in Mighty and see what all of your prototypes are. I'm certain that they're wild and creative and heartfelt. So the next phase of our design process is really thinking about where the rubber hits the road, that you have this vision of the way you want to lead your life, a new product you want to roll out, this pivot that you're wanting to do. And one of the powerful tools that we can use in this space is a business canvas. And it is just a simple sheet that allows you in 20 minutes or less to model out your business, your concept, in this instance, your pivot. And much of the work you've already done can integrate into it. Market research is part of it. You're going to be able to develop a budget on the fly so that you understand what kind of resources it might take to make this happen. We have a special guest, Cameron, who has recorded a video for you. Cameron is a business canvas guru. He teaches about them every day at an accelerator in Florida. I think you're going to love his guidance. There's also some other tips and tools on how to use them. What I can say on a personal level is they are simple, they are clear. For me, they're visual in that each one of those boxes, you do not need to write a business plan that is 500 pages. You can write the top three key things that answer that question. So if it was budget, like what are the revenue, what are the expenses, like just sort of plug and play. And additionally, if you're really visual, like my dear friend Elisa, it may be that you want to do some sketches, that it doesn't have to be all written. It's a canvas for you to make meaning and to test and to understand if your pivot's going to work and where you may need to iterate the design as you look at all these different pieces that are like a confluence coming together. I did a business canvas this past autumn around a change I wanted to make in my business. I set a timer for 10 minutes. I felt like I didn't even have the bandwidth for 20. And in 10 minutes, I mapped out a pivot that I wanted to make in my business. Every other week, I peek at it, and it is for like a minute. And I make slight shifts as I've implemented this and learned what's happening, slight shifts to my canvas, and then come back to it. So it's a great tool. It's a great tool for making decisions in the here and now. It'll be a great tool for you as you continue on this journey of your pivot long after the class.